A while back, I made a video sa tamang paggamit ng article a and article the, which is why Yuan May's question is going to be very fun to answer. Sabi niya, how about po sa pronunciation po ng dalawa? When will we use a or a in saying the article a and the or the sa article the? Sagutin natin. Una sa lahat, tama po yung naging sagot ni Ian Darren dun sa tanong ni Yuan May. Thank you po dun, sir, ha? So now we're going to put this on video so the rest of the community can visualize the proper pronunciation pagdating sa articles a and the. Here we go. The pronunciation po of the article the varies depending on the following rules. Unahin natin yung the. Ginagamit natin yan if the words after the article start with consonant sounds. So, the hair, the clothes, the shoes. Next, ginagamit naman